Jesus meets his sorrowful mother.
Here I am, my dear son, here I am.
Mother, I know you feel so sad. I make all things new.
We adore you, O Christ, and we bless you. Because by your holy cross you have redeemed the world.
What happened, my son? You look so dull. Is everything all right?
Daddy, I have something to tell you. I feel embarrassed in the class because I have not done well in the exams. They fool me.
Do not worry, my son. They may fool you today. Take it in a positive spirit and see what good you can do other than studies and excel.
Yes, I will take your word and show my ability.
All the best, my son. Challenge the difficulties on your way.
Many youths meet their parents to share the difficulties, to share his or her sufferings in life. They are embarrassed because they are suppressed by their own companions to the extreme point of difficulties. They need an encouraging word from those who are close to them and who understand their difficulties. Prayer. Dear Mother Mary, as you met your son Jesus in his difficult moment, inspire all the parents of the youth to understand their difficulties and let them support their own child to overcome the difficult moment in their everyday life. Have mercy on us, O Lord. Have mercy on us.